Hi you guys, today I'm recreating my video for my gluten-free pan pizza because I felt like the first video just did not do it justice. This pizza is absolutely phenomenal. We make it all the time in our house. It's like on repeat at least every other week. It is so easy to make and it can be made in one day, so let's get into it. I'm starting by adding olive oil to the bottom of my 12-inch cast iron skillet. And to this, I'm going to add my dough, which was already prepared. This is my gluten-free focaccia dough, also my Italian dough, also my English muffin dough. And when I made this, I let it proof for 2 hours or until doubled in size. And then I can actually go ahead and make the pizza directly from that. There is no refrigeration required. You can refrigerate it, but you don't have to. So that's the beauty of making this pizza in a time crunch. So I'm going to spread that out with my fingertips, oiled fingertips, and I'm going to cover it and let it rise just for like 30 minutes or so. It's not going to look too much different. See, this is like lightly puffy, but it doesn't look a whole lot bigger. And I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees. I'm adding my sauce. This is my Copycat Pizza Hut sauce, which the recipe is also linked in the description box below. And I'm adding shredded mozzarella to this, but you should try this also with white American cheese. That's like a take on a pizza up in Scranton where my husband is from. That is so good. They use white American cheese on it and it is creamy and so good. You have to try it at some point in your life. So this baked for about 25 to 35 minutes in the oven, give or take, because it depends on your pan size. I know that everybody won't have a 12-inch cast iron skillet, and that's okay. You don't have to go out and buy one. You can use an 8-inch cast iron skillet and just make like half the dough. You can also use a 9x13-inch baking pan. You can use a quarter sheet pan, which is basically the same as a 9x13-inch baking pan. You can use just a regular oven safe skillet. There are numerous ways to make this pizza. I've made them all. They've all worked fabulously. And all you have to do is slide it out of your pan, cut it, and eat it. And it is just phenomenal, you guys. I'm telling you, my son, who is a Pizza Hut and like delivery pizza connoisseur of sorts, he says this pizza is better than Pizza Hut. And look, he does not have to be gluten-free. So if that tells you something, you need to make this pizza. It is incredible. Enjoy.